Hello, happy Father's Day. What a special day. Hope you're going to get all ready to make some beautiful breakfast this morning. I've already started the onions, I've got some bacon in the oven, and I've got some special eggs from Allenborough organic eggs that have been supplied for me, and I've tried them and tested them, and they are absolutely beautiful. They come from up in the hinterlands on the back of the Gold Coast. What a great, thank you very much for that. Now, this morning's eggs are going to be great. Hope you guys try this because Father's Day is a very special day. And I know myself, because being a father, it's a special day for me to enjoy and celebrate with my family. Now, today's breakfast is Turkish eggs. So let's see how we're going with our onions. Onions are cooking and sweating down. I'm going to sweat them down, and then I'm going to start adding some spices and a little bit of tomato and get that going. Now, Turkish eggs go right back to 1500, and they've been used in Europe and all over the world. I've got them just where I want them to go. I've just cooked them nicely and sweated them down in some oil. Now I'm going to add some cumin and some cayenne pepper. So just add a little bit of that in. And depending on how many eggs you're doing, depends on how much you put in. So there's that going in. Now I'm also going to add some crushed tomatoes. Now these have come out of a tin. There, and I'm only doing 2. So I'll just let that cook for a little bit longer now and mix it all in. While I've got this cooking away, it needs to just boil and then simmer down for 5 minutes. I'm going to let it simmer down. By the way, this Turkish egg is going to be made in these ramekins. So it's a ramekin dish, and I need to put some yogurt with it. So with the yogurt, what I want to put with the yogurt is some garlic. So I've minced up some garlic. That'll go in there. Now I need some lemon. Try not to get the pips. I try very hard, but sometimes it doesn't happen. And you know the trick to you get your lemon and you roll it and you'll get all your juice out. So I've got the juice of the lemon going in, and that'll just be mixed in, and that's ready to go on top of my mixture. Now I'm just going to put equal shares into each ramekin. So into the bottom of the ramekin goes my tomato and onion mix. But now on top of this, I'm going to put some yogurt. My yogurt that I mixed up before with the garlic and the lemon. Just put a little blob on top of each one. Just like that. I'll make a little, there you go, that's beautiful, look at that. Unusual flavours, and you know, you're going to enjoy tasting this and trying it. It's one of those great things. Now, I told you about Allenborough organic eggs. These eggs don't come with any advertising on it, any logos. They're purely organic. These people are into organics, and they're doing a great job. It's a family business. As you can see, I've tried 2. There's 2 missing. So I'm going to get these beautiful eggs. Look, they little hand stamps on them with little feet. This one says, "Have a great day." What beautiful looking eggs. You know, let's have a look at them. Let's just get them inside these ramekins so we can start getting them in the oven. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful looking egg. Right? And the flavour is fantastic. You can tell the difference straight away. As soon as you have one of these eggs, the difference between one bought from the shops as opposed to a real organic egg is unbelievable. Now all I'm going to do is grab these and I'm going to put them in the oven for about, 10-15 minutes at 220. So let's put them in the oven and see how we go. I've got the oven preheated, so I'm going to do one at a time. Here's one. Here comes the other one. Let's get them in there. What I've got now, I've got everything in the oven. I've got it cooking in the oven, and I'm just going to melt some butter. I'm going to put some A little bit of paprika in there. And I'm going to mix up a bit of an oil. Paprika. Again, a bit of my lemon juice. A bit of butter. Paprika and some lemon juice. And I'm going to get this all ready, and I'm just going to pour it over my eggs once they're cooked. They're ready, they're looking fantastic. Look at that, guys, beautiful baked egg. Beautiful baked eggs. Now, the best thing to have with this is we've got some beautiful pieces of Turkish bread, and just for something different I did some twists of bacon, and all I did with the bacon, I just twisted it a little bit and I put it in with some sugar and a bit of pepper, and on top I'm just going to garnish a little bit of parsley, and to finish it off I'm just going to put that beautiful oil that I just made over the top. And there we have it, guys. Look at this. Well, another episode, Father's Day breakfast. This is beautiful. Turkish eggs. Been cooking since 1500. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to you enjoying it, having a great Father's Day. I hope someone lets you sit back and enjoy, relax, put your feet up and eat your breakfast. Enjoy, have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.